Lasa siyang passion fruit, guys. And this is sugar-free, ah. Hi, guys. For today, I'll try this Sip to Glow Korean Collagen Drink. Collagen yung pinaka-importanting component ng skin natin para mag-improve ng texture, elasticity, and syempre, hydration. Sobrang init kaya ngayon, guys. Kaya kailangan hydrated lagi yung skin. Here's their packaging. Very compact. Ayan, sa one box, meron ka ng 7 na drinks. Like this. Sa ingredients niya, meron siyang collagen tripeptide na hindi katulad ng regular collagen. Mas maliit siya at mas mabilis ma-absorb ng katawan natin. Meaning, mas mamamaximize yung benefits para sa skin, hair, nails, at iba pa. Ito na rin yung pinaka-affordable na collagen in the market. Plus, FDA approved pa siya. For other ingredients, E-aminobutyric acid, fish collagen peptide, lastly, vitamin C. Testing ko naman yung lasa.